Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles to improve your game without wasting money on the wrong gear? Whether you're a complete beginner, a casual weekend player, or someone slowly getting competitive, choosing the right paddle can make a huge difference in control, power, and consistency. In today's video, I've researched real player feedback, hands-on performance, and overall value to bring you the top 5 best pickleball paddles you can buy right now. All product links are included in the description below, so make sure to check those out and see which paddle fits your budget and playing style. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Onyx Graphite Z5. The Onyx Graphite Z5 is one of the most recognizable and trusted pickleball paddles on the market, and it's easy to see why it continues to be a bestseller year after year. This paddle is especially popular among beginners and intermediate players who want a reliable balance of control and power without paying premium prices. The Z5 features a graphite face paired with a wide body design, which creates a generously large sweet spot. This makes it easier to make clean contact with the ball, even if your timing isn't perfect yet. During gameplay, the paddle feels stable and forgiving, helping newer players stay confident during fast rallies. Weighing 8.2 ounces, the Z5 sits comfortably in the mid-weight range. This makes it a great option if you're still figuring out whether you prefer a lighter or heavier paddle. The Nomex honeycomb core provides a noticeable pop, making drives and serves feel powerful without being uncontrollable. The handle is designed to feel familiar, similar to a tennis racket grip, with added padding to reduce vibration and hand fatigue during longer matches. Onyx also includes a protective edge guard, helping prevent chips and cracks from accidental drops or net cord hits. Priced just under $100, the Z5 delivers excellent performance, durability, and long-term value, making it a paddle you can grow with as your skills improve. Best 4. Beginners to intermediate players, all-around performance, large sweet spot. Downside: not as spin-focused as newer textured paddles. Number 4. Head Radical Elite. The Head Radical Elite earns its place on this list as the best fiberglass pickleball paddle for beginners who prioritize control and affordability. Fiberglass paddles are known for their softer touch, and the Radical Elite fully embraces that advantage. This paddle features a composite fiberglass surface, which absorbs impact more effectively than graphite. The result is a smooth, controlled feel that makes shot placement easier, especially during dinks, returns, and soft volleys. During extended rallies, the paddle remains comfortable and predictable. Weighing approximately 8.1 ounces, the Radical Elite feels light enough for quick reactions while still offering enough mass to stay stable at the net. One standout feature is its slightly extended handle, which makes two-handed backhands more comfortable. This is especially helpful for tennis players transitioning into pickleball. While the color options are limited to bright orange or yellow, the performance easily outweighs the lack of style variety. At around $70, this paddle delivers outstanding value and is capable of keeping up with competitive play as your skills develop. As players advance, they may eventually want more power or spin, but for beginners focused on control and consistency, the Radical Elite is hard to beat. Best 4. Beginners, control-focused players, two-handed backhands. Downside: less power compared to graphite paddles. Number 3. Selkirk Sport SX4 Starter Pack. If you're looking for a complete and affordable way to start playing pickleball, the Selkirk Sport SX4 Starter Pack is one of the best bundle deals available. This set is perfect for couples, families, or friends who want to start playing right away. The package includes 2 paddles, 4 pickleballs, and a carrying bag, giving you everything you need to head straight to the court. Despite being labeled as a starter set, the paddles themselves are impressively well made. Each SX4 paddle features a polymer honeycomb core, which helps reduce vibration and soften impact. This is especially beneficial for beginners learning proper technique and avoiding arm fatigue. The G4 control graphic surface with SpinFlex technology adds subtle texture, helping players generate better control and early spin. At 7.5 ounces, the paddles are lightweight and easy to handle, making them ideal for players of all ages. The grips are cushioned, sweat-absorbing, and designed to prevent slipping, even during longer sessions. Overall, this starter pack delivers excellent value with trusted Selkirk quality, making it a smart investment for new players who don't want cheap, low-quality gear. Best 4. Beginners, couples, families, complete starter setup. Downside, not ideal for advanced competitive play. Number 2. Recess Vista Pickleball Paddle. The Recess Vista Pickleball Paddle stands out for players who want performance with personality. Based in Austin, Texas, Recess has built a strong reputation for stylish and thoughtfully designed pickleball gear, and the Vista paddle is one of their most popular models. What immediately sets this paddle apart is its huge variety of designs, with nearly 40 colorways available. From minimalist styles to bold graphics and limited editions, it's one of the best paddles if you want to stand out on the court. Performance-wise, the Vista paddle delivers a well-balanced experience. The sanded textured surface helps generate spin and improves shot control, while the honeycomb core provides enough power without overwhelming beginners. The paddle feels consistent and forgiving, making it great for learning proper placement and touch. Weighing around 7.5 ounces, it's easy to maneuver at the net and comfortable for long matches. Recess also includes a protective edge guard and a branded canvas cover, adding extra value and durability. This paddle is perfect for players who want a beginner-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice looks or performance. Best for beginner to intermediate players, style-focused buyers. Downside, not designed for high-power competitive play. Number 1. Jula Essentials Pickleball Paddle. Taking the top spot is the Jula Essentials Pickleball Paddle, one of the best entry-level paddles from one of the most respected brands in pickleball. Jula designed this paddle specifically to help beginners improve quickly while building confidence on the court. The Essentials paddle features a large, forgiving sweet spot, making it easier to hit consistent shots even if your timing isn't perfect. Its soft touch helps new players develop control, dinks, and placement without feeling harsh or unstable. One standout feature is the perforated grip, which improves airflow and reduces sweat buildup. This keeps the paddle secure in your hand during long rallies and hot playing conditions. The grip texture also adds confidence and comfort. This paddle was developed in collaboration with Ben Johns, one of the top professional players in the PPA. His influence shows in the paddle's balance, feel, and beginner-friendly design. As your skills grow, the Essentials paddle can serve as a stepping stone towards Jula's higher-end competitive models. With dependable performance, comfort, and strong brand credibility, this paddle earns its place as the best overall beginner option. Best for beginners, skill development, long-term progression. Downside, lacks advanced spin technology for elite play. So, those are the top 5 best pickleball paddles to consider right now. Whether you want control, comfort, value, or a complete starter setup, there's a paddle here for you. All product links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest buying guides and sports gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.